Having a robust social media strategy is crucial for businesses and individuals looking to enhance their online presence. And as we step into 2024, the social media landscape continues to evolve, making it essential to stay ahead of the curve. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to create an effective social media strategy plan for 2024. So before diving into the planning process, it's vital to understand the significance of a well-crafted social media strategy. It serves as a roadmap to guide your online activities, helping you to reach your target audience effectively, increase brand awareness and engagement, drive website traffic and sales, monitor and improve your online reputation, and stay ahead of competitors. So you want to begin by defining what you want to achieve through social media efforts. Whether it's increasing brand awareness, generating leads, or enhancing customer service, having clear objectives will help you tailor your strategy to meet those goals. You want to ensure your objectives are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, or SMART for short. So understanding your target audience is crucial. Gathering insights on their demographics, interests, online behaviors, and preferred social media platforms. This information will help you create content that, one, resonates with your audience, and then also will help you choose the right places to be posting this content. So competitor analysis really provides two main valuable insights. First, it shows you what works, and then second, it shows you what doesn't work in your industry or niche. So you want to identify your main competitors and analyze their social media presence. You want to look at their content strategy, engagement rates, and follower growth to uncover opportunities for you to be different than them. So one thing I think we can all agree on is that not all social media platforms will be relevant to your business. Based on your audience research and competitor analysis, you need to select the right platforms that offer the best potential for reaching your target audience, and then that will help you to achieve your objectives in the long run. So what's the main part of social media? Well, it's content, the thing you're actually posting. Content is king in the realm of social media. So you need to develop a content strategy that aligns with your objectives and resonates with your target audience. You want to incorporate a mix of different formats such as images, videos, infographics, and blogs to keep your content engaging and diverse so you can reach your target audience through different channels. So ideas to get engaged with your audience is to plan maybe interactive content like polls, quizzes, and contests, which will encourage your audience to participate in your social media and on your social media, commenting, liking, and more. One of the main important things with social media is staying organized, and one thing that will help you do that is having a content calendar. This tool will help you plan and schedule your posts in advance, ensuring a consistent and balanced content mix. And when you're doing this, you want to factor in key dates and events that may be relevant to your audience to make content timely and engaging. One thing that really helps on social media to help you really efficiently manage your social media is to utilize various tools for scheduling posts, monitoring engagement, and analyzing performance. Tools like Hootsuite, Buffer, and Sprout Social can really save you a ton of time and provide valuable insights to optimize really your strategy and make it super effective. So there's two groups on social media, the poster and then the viewer. It's kind of a two-way communication. So you need to make it a priority to engage with your audience by responding to comments, messages, and mentions. This will help build a strong community around your brand, which will then increase loyalty and advocacy for your brand. So one thing that a lot of people miss out or skip is they don't monitor their strategy. So you need to do this. You need to use analytic tools to track the performance of your social media activities against your objectives. You want to analyze metrics such as engagement rates, follower growth, and conversion rates. And then you want to use those insights to help refine and adjust your posts and your strategies so that you have better results. And then lastly, like I mentioned in this intro, social media is constantly changing. Different strategies, different algorithms are being implemented. So you need to stay informed about the latest trends, platform updates, and best practices. You need to be adaptable, and when you are adaptable and you incorporate new trends into your strategy, it can give you a big competitive edge because a ton of people don't actually implement new things quickly. So if you're one of the first people to do this, it will help boost your channel and boost loyalty with your audience. So as we've gone over in this video, creating a social media strategy really requires careful planning, execution, and ongoing optimization. When you follow these steps, you can develop a comprehensive strategy that aligns with your business and resonates with your target audience. Remember, the key to success on social media is engagement, creativity, and adaptability. As we get into 2024, you want to let your social media strategy be a dynamic tool that evolves with your business and the digital landscape. And you don't just want to dive into this, you want to have a clear plan, like we said, and have objectives line out, because this will enhance your online presence, but it will also really drive meaningful results to your business. So stay focused, be patient, and watch your social media efforts flourish in 2024. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy this video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more content just like this. And to stay updated on when we post, hit the bell icon so that you're notified whenever we have a new video up. Lastly, check out these other videos right here because I guarantee that you will like them.